The company EuroDetal is a rapidly growing export-oriented company. The enterprise possesses a closed-loop production cycle from production and receipt of workpiece to complete manufacturing of technically complex parts for press mold, die sets, tooling for lime and sack brick production, as well as parts of precision metalworking. Our company is certified according to Quality Management ISO 9001:2015. The system works at each production section of the enterprise, from passing incoming control, verification of certificates, to the received workpieces, tracking of the passage of products on each operation with accompanying documentation, up to finished goods transfer from workshop to warehouse and shipment to the recipient. At all stages of production there are applied modern methods of processing, tool devices that allow us to process a part with high productivity. On rough milling the planes of the parts, we use magnet plates for quick fixing and removing parts, as well as we perform operations on CNC machines, combining milling and flat griding operation into one. We carry out saw processing of parts in order to shorten processing cycle. For processing of end faces we use simultaneous milling of two end faces on duplex milling machine. Even such it would seem simple but labor-intensive process as chamfering is replaced from handwork to treatment using chamfering machine. Our own technological department allows to provide production with the best choice of modern tool programs for treatment on CNC machines. The modern CNC milling machining centers led to process the parts with high precision, to process curvilinear surfaces by 3D models, to bore holes with tolerance up to 9 microns. Finishing milling operation is fulfilled with high precision. The setting is carried out due to end measures using micron indicator. In fitters area, there is fulfilled as follows: deep hole drilling of coolant channels, drilling of small diameter holes, threading. The enterprise has both universal turning machines in order to perform unique orders and high-efficiency CNC turning equipment, equipped with function of power milling tool, allowing to combine on one machine both turning operations and milling and drilling operations. EuroDetal possesses an own thermal production section with hardening furnaces, shaft furnaces of gas carburizing with all necessary instrumentation equipment, straightening presses. After hardening, all the parts are transferred to slot blasting chamber for descaling. Then the parts like bushing are transferred to internal grinding equipment. The parts like pin go immediately to a cylindrical grinding machine. Such parts as plates and risers are subjected to grinding on flat grinding equipment, among them also with overall dimensions up to 650 and 2000 mm on the machine 3D 725. All products are marked on laser device and then they go to finish control. Special attention is paid to control at the enterprise. The motto of our company is traditions of quality, not for nothing. Despite the fact that the company EuroDetal sends more than 60% of produced goods for export, for ourselves, we do not share quality for export and quality for Russia. Quality Control Department is equipped with measuring devices only from world leaders in this area. All the devices are tested and calibrated according to approved schedules. Only that part which passed all stages of control with marks on each operation is forwarded to the packaging. Preservation and packaging of parts is carried out manually. Each part is provided with a label with the data that are necessary for the customer. Finished parts are stacked in boxes and are sent to the customer. The company EuroDetal became the winner of competition The Best Exporter of the Saratov region twice, in 2015 and 2018. EuroDetal team was decorated with commendations and certificates of appreciation of the Ministry of Industry and the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of the Russian Federation. The company EuroDetal was also awarded with the mark of conformity Russian exporter. We are always happy to see you in our company, EuroDetal team.